big clean event. It's like they knew I was coming. It's got a bit too much, guys. Succulent Chinese meal. Good morning, welcome to day 64, and today is a Sunday. We're always going to have quite a Sunday, I reckon. Yeah. Just got up now, about 10 o'clock, you got up at like 9. Which I think is that's reasonable. Really that's not too bad of a lie-in anyway. It's not so bad. Sorry. You're right. You're right. You're sorry. Coffee, bacon sandwich, and then I might go over to B&M.
Oh.
Get some cleaning things.
And
candles and stuff and a few little bits and bobs, and then I'm going to do a full reset again. I feel like I do reset basically every Sunday.
Do you know what? When I woke up, I thought she's going to have a cleaning day today. I can just
Sundays sometimes feel like that, so that's what I'm going to do today, guys. So if that's not your vibe, don't worry about it. Just come back tomorrow if you want to, but I'll see you later. People seem to like to watch other people clean. I think it's like, if you can't be asked to do it yourself, maybe it's like to scratch an itch that you like. Or motivation. Yeah, like if you want to do it, right? I'm going to make myself a bacon sandwich and stuff first. Get yourself all sorted, right? And just do it with us. We'll do it together. Yeah, we'll do it together. But for now, I'm going to make a nice coffee and bacon sarnie. Yeah. Is this the coffee we're going for? We get this from the shop next door, is it?
The one that had the cat.
Yeah, we went there yesterday, yeah. This is it. Oh, it doesn't even say the notes. No, I was going to be like, these are the notes we're working with today.
It does.
Oh, what does it say?
Apricot, cashew, and praline.
Sounds all right. We've had it before, haven't we? It's good. It is
coffee.
good coffee. Yeah, it's really good coffee. So it's that's why you would fry things in vegetable oil, but not olive oil. Ready to see the skinniest bread of your life. We have discussed this already, but look, it looks like my hands are massive. Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, toasty bread is usually huge.
Yeah, toasty bread is usually massive, but it's because it's the mini version. She's skinny. Skinny legend. I think something wrong's with my coffee machine. It shouldn't do that. It should pour out nicer than that, shouldn't it? It like trickles out. Any baristas out there? Milk, no good milk. Not a single bit of froth. How do you do it? Toothpaste from the lips, I think. Do I? No. Yeah, that's better. Is it good? Bosh. What do you rate the coffee? I wish I could do the milk.
9.
Ooh. Would the milk have made it better?
Yeah, maybe
Have
if
a nice
you
little
draw a
pattern on it.
little
Ah, I knew it!
love heart on it.
Oh. I'll keep working on it. Right, first task of the day. Actually put some clothes on. Okay, dressed, ready. First task of the day. I'm going to change my bed sheets, guys. Right, bed stripped. Just ignore how much of a shithole it is in here right now, because the plan is to fix it anyway, okay? So, it is a bit of a shithole, but we'll get there. Look at how organised this is, alright? Put my wash basket in. I've put the sheets in there. I've still got enough room in there for a little bit more, right? Separated. Look, these are the light things that I could probably just go in with this, okay? Got me whites. I'm going to go to B&M and get a white powder. And I've got me darks. I'll not be doing all 3 today. Don't get me wrong, right? This could probably stay until the day before I go to work, so then my uniforms are like freshly washed and shit. But look how organised that is. Gosh, I love it, me. You know, let's crack on with load number 1. Like I say, I'll do this load and then this load, and then I'll probably just leave this one for now.
Oh, wow.
I know. What to do? Green, and then we've obviously got the green with white.
She meant well. She almost killed us on the drive home. Typical English summer hailstorm. Typical love me when you're drunk kind of love. Meanwhile, I took enough to think I'm no one's child. I asked her if I've got my father's eyes. She laughed and sent me out for cigarettes. Last night you scared me out to death. Stop this drinking in the week, babe. You know you're all that I got left.
Done. Well, nearly done. Right, task 2. We're going to B&M. Right guys, we've made it and look what's on. The big clean event. It's like they knew I was coming. It's got a bit too much, guys. Like an hour later and £45 down. Right, Jesus Christ. Now for the haul. I know you guys have been waiting for it. This isn't the only, don't know if you can see it. Maybe I'll put it on a 0.5. But wait, there's another bag. Snacks. More snacks. These slap. You had these before, yeah, the broccoli biscuits. Slap. More snacks. And then because of the snacks, we move on to new floss. And toothpaste. Solid. All the girlies out there, right? Candle, but I'm going to put cotton pads in here when it's done. In the bathroom. How cute is that? B&M. Yeah, £2.50. A candle set. I was lacking candles. Right, guys. New Glade. Oh, this is for the bathroom. Vac scent. This is lovely stuff. This was the reason we actually went. So, toilet blocks. You ever use these?
No.
You put them in the back of your toilet, right? So you know, like the water tank at the back of it. They sit in there and they make your water purple.
Nice.
I know. These were £1 for a pack of 6. That's a bloody bargain.
Good.
Oh, guys, what a day! I'm gonna put this in the living room somewhere. Floor cleaner. Very excited for this. It's Fabulosa.
We love a Fabulosa.
In the smell of Electrify. You don't eat much meat, but God, you love a meaty crispy.
Yeah.
More candle. Pot noodle. Oh, because I ate my emergency pot noodle. I've been using tin foil at the moment, so hopefully this is a bit, I don't know.
A bit more sustainable.
Yeah, a bit more sustainable, yeah. So at least I can clean it again. Another pot noodle, because I'll probably have the emergency pot noodle a bit later on. More snacks.
Just a bit meh.
Really, I like
them. It's
them.
not like I actively dislike them, they're just a bit meh.
Yeah. Polish. I love a bit of polish. I love the smell of polish as well, actually. Some dark chocolate, which we found out is not even that dark. It's like 36% or something. Another candle. Oh, Mawam. I fucking love a Mawam. And more floss sticks. Again, I got more sweets.
Oh, I always...
Some Schneid Cocoa Pops. Is Schneid a universal word?
I only ever heard you say it, but...
For my non-Northeast folk, Schneid means like fake, like knockoff, yeah. It'd be like, but you could say it in multiple contexts, because if I think you're being Schneid, I think you're being Schneid.
You've got a lot of words that you can use for anything.
Yeah, different contexts. Like Schneid would be like, oh, you're being a bit sly as well. Do you know what I mean? If you call someone Schneid, they're a little bit fake, a little bit sly. So, I got some Schneid Cocoa Pops. So now you all know what that word means, hey? Get that in your vocab. And today, Miss Julliver will teach you the word Schneid. And we all say Schneid. There's a lot to do, yeah, there's a lot to do.
It's 1:30.
Is it 1:30?
Yeah.
Oh, a lot to do, guys, so I'll keep you updated though. That's load 2 on. The grind don't stop. I think now my plan is edit one of my videos. I've got 2 videos that I need to upload this evening. So I might edit one of them. Might make a cup of tea. Do you want a cup of tea? And then crack on with cleaning the bathroom once I'm finished editing. It's 121 clips and 80 minutes worth of footage to edit. So this video is probably going to be my longest video I've edited and probably my longest video I've uploaded. The one I'm talking about, by the way, is my Northumberland walk video. So if you've not seen it, okay, if it's maybe something that you'd be into, go take a look, guys, because I've put a lot of effort into it. I think it's going to take me a really long time. 80 minutes worth of footage, that video is. I just yapped, a yappa, yappa. Right. Right. Been editing for about an hour now. I need to clean some things to take my mind off of it. I put a lot of effort into the videos, right, guys? It doesn't look like it, but I do, right? So I've been editing there for an hour. I've got 8 minutes worth of footage done.
Out of 80?
Yeah. So I've still got, I think it said 62 or something minutes to go through still.
That's going to take you forever.
It's going to take us forever. I know, I've been doing it for an hour. So I'm going to clean for a bit now. I know, but it'll be a good video. So please go, if you've not watched it, go watch it, please. Tell me what you think. It's going to take ages to upload as well because my Wi-Fi's dink. Dink. I mean shit. Bit dink that. Crap. But anyway, I'm clean for a bit now. Because that's priority actually. So I need to do that for tomorrow because my landlord's coming over. Sorry Claire, only joking. I'm on a bit of a time crunch though. Told Claire to order food for 5:15. I think it's about 20 past now, so I've not got a great deal of cleaning time, but we'll do it. This is what I'm going to use to do the mirror and the glass as well. This stuff is so good. But first, let's clean all of this stuff. This stuff, right, really good to get the shine. And then this stuff. It may seem odd, but the white vinegar, I think it's something to do with like when the steam, it doesn't really get affected by steam, so it still stays shiny. I don't know. I seen that I used it at work, so I'll keep doing it. Little pause. Food is here. I think it's Italian pork, caramelized red onions or something. I can't really remember what's on this, but it looks alright. This is a sauce that they call crack sauce. I ain't got a clue what's in it, but it actually does taste like crack. It's unbelievable, so Moorish. And then this is called de bombe, which is basically just like a massive cheese. It's like really thick layer of cheese though. See if you can do me a cheese pull. No cheese pull. No cheese pull at all. This may not have had a very good cheese pull, but it tastes phenomenal, doesn't it?
Unbelievable.
That is bloody delicious. Succulent. Rather succulent. Succulent Chinese meal! Bluetooth connected. Right, I've got a few more things to do and then done. I don't think I filmed any of that actually. Just had a proper quick like half-an-hour blast where I've actually just finished all of the cleaning. But I don't have time to go back and show you now, right guys? I've got to edit my video. Got 60 minutes of footage still to go through. Oh, I need to get on with it.